Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If today is your first time watching me, this is Sister J from Sister J Jamaican Caribbean Cuisine. If today is not your first time watching me, I thank you so much for coming back. Thank you for your support. I thank you, thank you, thank you. Rapper crapper, wherever you are, big up yourself. Big up yourself, rapper crapper. Manners and respect, man. Guys, because of you, I hit over 1,000 subscribers. Yes, I've got that milestone and I got it in less than 3 months. So I come to say thank you, thank you, thank you. I thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. So please continue to like, share, and watch the video. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please do so. I thank you so much. Thank you. So you know what? I'm gonna make me some pina colada. Yes, pina colada. Yeah. What you say, virgin pina colada? No, not tonight. I made the one tonight. Yeah. No virgin tonight. No. Yeah. Huh? Not tonight. Some other night, but not tonight. Yeah, so I'll be making some pina colada. Okay, guys, so sit back and relax while I show you how Sister J make her pina colada. As you know, I always say it, everyone do it their way. This is just Sister J's way, so just watch how Sister J make her pina colada. Okay? Yeah. So I'm gonna be making my pina colada. Okay guys, so it's time to make the pina colada. Yes. All right. So first up, I'm gonna I have a cup of fresh pineapple. I'm just gonna throw that in the blender. And I have a cup of pineapple juice. I'm gonna make like about 2 servings. Because we all know that pina colada is supposed to be rumish, pineapple-ish, coconut-ish, with a little sweetish little taste. So pineapple juice, and this 1/4 cup of coconut milk. Yes, 1/4 cup. Yeah. And this is 1 cup of coconut cream. So we all know coconut cream is mainly like the base. It's thick. It's not as watery as the cream, the milk, and it tastes sweet. So because of that, you don't need no sugar in it. Coconut cream already sweet. So this is the coconut cream. You use more coconut cream and a little dash of the coconut milk. So I'm gonna put in the coconut cream in it. See it all thick up there. Can't even throw it in, so you have to scrape it in. You have to scrape in the coconut cream. Yeah, man. But you can't make it without the coconut cream. Yes. So that's the coconut cream right there, so. Yeah, man. And you know what is? 1 shot of the 1 shot. If you want more, you can put more. Or if you decide to make it virgin, you don't put none. Yes. And you know, you squeeze a little lime. When you use rum, you need little lime. Yeah. You know what, if you walk and walk too high, and I know where I go on. Squeeze little lime in a hit. Cut the tone down with the overproof. So squeeze little lime. And now, if the pineapple is frozen, you don't need no ice. But it's fresh pineapple, so I have to put some ice in there. look like you want more ice. I must say I make about 2 servings. Yes, I'm not so greedy tonight. I make for me alone. 2 servings. Yes. Pina colada. Hey! Pina colada. Supposed to rummy, pineapple-ish, coconut-ish. Yes. If it's on the virgin side, it's just coconut-ish and pineapple-ish. Yeah, man. So, me see what I go on there with my pina colada. Woo-hoo. Pina colada. Yes, 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 so. Yeah, so nice. Yes. So here I already have my glass. Me have it well decorated with piece of pineapple and cherry and piece of pineapple stalk or leaf. What you call it? So now me gonna pour it in there. Hey, yeah, me say that one yeah? Add the one. Yes. So if you want, you can use a straw. If you want, you can use a straw and sip and your pina colada. But you don't have to use a straw because I am using a straw right now. So, cheers. Cheers to you guys. So thank you so much. I thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Rapa Kappa. This one is on me. Pina colada. Pina colada. The one. Tastes good enough. Hey! Pina colada. I forgot to finish it up. But no. Me I drink it slower. Guys, I thank you so much. Thank you. As always I say, there's many ways of doing it. This is just Sister J's way. Try Sister J's way, you will like it. Pina colada, the one. Try it, you will like it. Guys, take care of yourself and loved ones. Stay safe.